So we are back at Leafy Lane Lakes again, and we decided to just do a lap of one of the lakes because we've never actually done it before.
No, we've been here like 4 times.
And there's heaps more camping spots that we didn't even realise.
Massive.
Yeah, that's awesome. I guess they're going to develop all this too. What you doing, buddy? Hello everyone, we are at Leafy Lane Lakes in the Sunshine Coast again. I can't remember how many times we've been here, but it's just been a great location when Ryan has been working in the Sunshine Coast. It's been a beautiful day today. I have been working outside on my laptop with the view of the water. It's been lovely. And now I'm gonna quickly make up or prep for dinner. So I'm gonna make smashed dumpling tacos. I saw it on Instagram, got me hook, line and sinker, and I am gonna give that a go tonight. I just remembered I've got some mint in the fridge, so I'm going to chop some of that up and maybe we can put some on the top of the dumplings? Tacos. Dumplings, tacos, whatever they are. Yeah. Oh yeah, she's hot. Ooh. The flame's going.
Under there.
Wow.
Smart my wife. Stuff to put inside of it, right?
Yeah, but that's all in the meat.
No, it's not. That's meat and cabbage.
And soy.
Yeah, but salsa is like tomato and onion.
Yeah, but it's not Mexican tacos.
That's right.
It's dumpling tacos.
What do you normally have in a dumpling? Nothing. Well, dumpling. They're tacos.
New name for them.
Yeah.
But be open to something different.
Oh, surprise.
Sorry, you're funny.
That is bad. Love cooking. What's going on?
Impatient.
Queen of organisation over here.
Hey, I organised dinner. Stop complaining.
Did you separate these two yet?
Flip it good.
Look at the area.
Feel like pancakes.
Good.
Alright, come and get it.
Oh, God,
It's gonna get cold. Alright, well, I'm gonna make mine.
Oh, mate, go to bed.
Oh, I understand what you mean about the whole.
There's nothing.
It needs like
inside.
lettuce or something.
Yeah, they're hollow.
But you don't have maybe cabbage?
Yeah, I thought there was something in the video they put in it.
No.
shells. What?
It's like your dream, Ryan. It's a meat shell.
That should be full of like topping.
Yeah, but there's like veggies and stuff in the...
Yeah, I know, but there could be more vegetables. Yeah? I feel like it's lacking something. Or a lot, actually.
Well, there's always room for improvement.
Yeah, lots of room.
Literally.
Kilometres. Hey, look at my taco. How good is it? It's hollow. Cheers, hollow taco. It tastes fine. It just needs something in the middle.
What did you just say?
It tastes fine.
It does taste
It
good.
just needs actual filling. Like it's not actually a taco.
Did you put mint in there? Mint's really tasty.
You should be able to see everything that I'm eating, to be honest, because it's hollow. Maybe some cheese, sour cream, some lettuce.
Yeah, but you don't put that in a taco, in a dumpling. In a dumpling.
Maybe we need to make them up out of like small...
Like wonton wrappers.
Yeah. Because it's just weird eating that.
Well, we tried it.
What I'm going to do is put two or three together and fold them up. And like that.
What I reckon I'd do is get like that coleslaw mix.
But that's not in a dumpling.
You know what you could do? You could do that Asian coleslaw with like the crispy noodles.
Need something.
Or maybe we'll try that next time because it's tasty. I'll eat this again. Here you go. First time using the bladder. How did you go with it, Ryan? Oh. Today is a good day because our chili tribe sauce is restocked. It's on the menu tonight, Ryan.
Couple of burgers.
Where did we get these ones from? Was it Roadie?
Roadie Meats, yeah, down in Brisbane.
Nice, we've had some good stuff from there actually.
Really good.
Alright, the finished product. Made lovingly by Ryan.
And Rachel.
Oh yeah, I make the chips and the lettuce. Oh, I did the onion too, actually. I added more components than what you did. He's just choosing to ignore me.
I'm just enjoying my beer. Thanks for asking. Juice Trip.
What's that one?
Juice Trip. Very juicy.
You really like this one?
You scull it, I'll kill you.
Is that a dare?
Not a day, I like that big, it's nice.
Look, literally tastes like you're drinking breakfast juice.
I wouldn't go that far, it's not like one drop.
I like my one better.
Which was my one.
What's on the menu today, Ryan?
Pork ribs in the smoker. Haven't done them for a while, so.
No, I'm really looking forward to it. How long have they been in the smoker for so far?
Hour and a half or something. Hour and a half, about 40.
Nice. Smells good. Alright, they look delicious.
Just got to find where the bone isn't. I thought that was there. Oh, there it is. Towards the edge.
There we have it. What did you just say?
I reckon they're the best ones I've ever done.
I think I agree with you, Ryan. They're delicious. Good morning, everyone. It is a cloudy day today. We had storms early this morning and the temperature has definitely dropped. It was like 33, 34 degrees yesterday and it would be in the 20s today, I'd say. So we have to be careful of our power consumption today. Ryan's at work, so he doesn't have to worry about it. But yeah, so I have to be conscious. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So let's see where we're at. Okay, so 9 o'clock in the morning, we're at 69%. So just to let you know, we've got 400 amp hours of batteries. And I can't quite remember how much solar we have. I'll have to check that with Ryan later. So today I'm going to be very conscious of my power. So luckily I don't have any work to do today, so I don't need to switch Starlink on. I don't need to use my laptop. So I'm going to switch this light off because I don't need that. I've switched our Sirocco fans off. Just going to try and conserve it and hopefully we get a little bit of sunshine later on today. It's still only 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's still early. Yeah, so I'm just going to do some things that don't require power. So I might read my book, might do some painting. There's a couple of cupboards that I've been putting off that need sorting and stuff, so I think I might tackle that today. Okay, it is 2:30 in the afternoon and we're at 84%. It is also getting quite windy out there, so I think I might have to take the awning down. Okay, it's the next day and it's still a cloudy day today. This morning we started, when we woke up we were at 65%. I've just been for a half an hour walk and we're up to 68%, so that is a good sign. We'll see how we go. Nearly 11 o'clock in the morning and we're at 83, so we're doing good today. Alrighty, 3:15 and we're at 99%. Woohoo! Although there are some very dark storm clouds out there.